O, diba? Kitang-kita namang mga anuhan natin dito. Ang dilim! Ang buhok ko kalalagas ng buhok ko, oh. Salamat, Sis Leonie! Ano namang buhok ko? Ayan, thank you so much sa walang sawang suporta. Ako po ay nag-iikot lang dito, o, diba? Oh. Wala, ang buong bahay ko ngayon ay puno na ng buhok. Kasi ang buhok ko nagkalahulog. Di ba may ideya ako ko ngayon. Daming buhok dito. So itong dalaga ko. Yan ang dalaga. This is my please support my channel. Yes, yes, yes. Words embroidery. Di ba may mirror dyan sa likod ko, di ba? Oh. Bakit kasi walang ngayon? Walang, ang pangit ng ngayon sa cellphone. Oy, walang bubbles, kaya hindi maganda. Can you handle a big banana? Oh my God. Sis Angela, thank you. Thank you so much. Ang ng buhok ko? Pangit ng buhok ko. Thank you for support, guys. For staying here in my live stream. And I love you all. I want to work. I have a lot of work now. And maybe after 30 minutes, I will end my live. I need to make food for me. After 1 hour, I'm... Ay, nako. You know, it's very difficult to speak your language because I am a Filipino. Okay. But I will try my best. Diba? This is my hair. See my hair? Support each other. Yeah, daily life is very busy. You stay it will. Thank you, my friend. Daily life is still BB channel, you know. Not 1K her followers, her subscriber. So please send her full support, please. The one I pin. Okay, okay, guys, please support my friend, and also forever 5 forever support. Send her a full support. Okay. Thank you. Pulang muna ako dito. My hair is still have water, you know, still wet. It's not dry. I'm not finished drying my hair. You're welcome, says 5 forever daily life vlogs. See? Support each other, okay?